Hey guys, it's Big Ron with Mutant Recipes and another Ron Super Simple Shake. You guys know I make the best shakes, right? So we're gonna start out, this is my peanut butter brownie shake. Now this is actually my personal favorite flavor, the chocolate fudge brownie mutant mass. Of course you guys know it's the world's #1 big bag gainer, but the chocolate fudge brownie is my flavor, let me tell you. So we're gonna start with almond milk, cashew milk, whatever you like. Today I've got some delicious, unsweetened, unflavored cashew milk. I just really like the texture that comes out of this. It gets a little creamier, a little thicker. So we're gonna start with a cup of cashew milk, one of my favorites. Now peanut butter, I'm gonna go for 30 grams. Now I'm not gonna weigh it out for you, I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's 2 level tablespoons, so 1 heaping tablespoon should probably do it. We might be a couple grams off on our macros without weighing it, but I think we'll live. That spoon's pretty heavy, a little bit more. Okay, so the peanut butter's in, peanut butter's loaded, and now it's time for the mass. So I'm gonna do 2 full scoops, a half a serving of mass. Now, if you like full servings, that's awesome, but when you're adding other food, you're adding the cashew milk and peanut butter and fruit and stuff like that, it starts to become a really massive shake. So I like to use a half a serving, a little easier to manage. And we're just gonna blend this up. Now, I don't throw ice in my mass shakes typically. I know that we make a lot of smoothies on this show and you see a lot of ice getting blended up. Works great with the iso surges, but with mass, for me, it gets a little too thick sometimes and then you gotta add some water to thin it back out. So I usually don't add ice. We're just gonna go with that. There we go. Chocolatey goodness. That's fantastic. That's the peanut butter brownie mutant mass shake. So now the macros on this are gonna be 35 grams of protein, about 100 grams of carbs, and about 25 grams of fat with the peanut butter. So if those are the macros you're looking for, this is your shake. Peanut butter brownie shake on Mutant Recipes.